If you can read a few lines of Python, you can automate tasks, analyze data, and start building AI without waiting months. Today, learning Python isn't a barrier, it's a shortcut to real results. Everyone I meet, I tell them that you need to learn Python. May it be a 20 years experienced person or even a person who has never coded and a medical doctor as well. Python is the language of modern problem solving. It powers data analysis, machine learning, web apps, AI, and automation. From startups to enterprises, teams choose Python because it is very readable, flexible, and has an amazing ecosystem of battle-tested libraries. Think NumPy, Pandas, Sci-Kit Learn, OpenAI, LangChain, and if you really work with data or decisions, Python is one of the most valuable 0 to 1 skill that you can add to your toolkit. And nowadays, learning Python is easy. Before it used to feel intimidating, but not anymore. There are AI co-pilots like we have discussed in our code, the Google Colab Gemini, as well, that suggest code as you type. There are a lot of interactive notebooks that are available like Google Colab that we are using in this course that lets you run the code block by block with instant feedback that is there. There are a lot of rich libraries that handle the heavy lifting like cleaning data, building charts, or even training a model in a few lines of code. Be it cloud and no code helpers. It removes the setup pain and you need to focus on the thinking and not the configuration. And this is when we use in our trainings and AI residency a Google Colab, which really helps you to get from the idea to the working demo very fast without the hassle of even installing, configuring, and going to all those things that are there. And why we have created this course that you are going to look at is because it's a very important for machine learning and AI. This is a self-paced, beginner-friendly course for doers that are there, and you will learn by building clean data sets, understanding how the functions work and how you can write functions, control flow, and shop small utilities that are there. And you will also actually use that these technologies in your later learnings that you are doing. Short lessons, practical exercises, and the real world mini projects that you can apply these skills immediately and start experimenting and learning. If you have been waiting for the right time to start, this is it. Finish these basic Python for ML AI courses and learn the essential the smart way and build your first AI ready Python workflow this week. Thank you and see you in the next